Can you believe the boss actually gave me an 18-year-old Jaguar? I think he might be like this, but...
I saw this one.
Boss, going home.
Wow, what's up? Did this cup make a sound?
Wow. The car has been parked for too long, and the battery is dead.
That's fine then.
Open. The trunk lock core is broken again and the old master doesn't see well.
Can the car be started? Sound of pushing the car.
Stalling when it shouldn't. A bad feeling.
Measure the cylinder pressure.
Advancing the workshop dismantling. The issue of insufficient steel pressure is not acceptable.
The parts are good because there are too many reports on site, and they must be classified and stored according to license plate.
Some rust on the original car clips is inevitable. The seatbelt retracts weakly.
This action is completely understandable. Check its price and you'll know. Since it has an all-aluminum body, make sure to store it properly to avoid extra bumps. Take it for paint stripping. The interior that was collected is ready for refurbishment. These interiors are too worn out and need to be disassembled. So the framework is severely rusted. Although it is not visible and does not affect usage, we need to be more meticulous, stay true to our original intention, and pursue perfection in extreme detail.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Original leather paneling. German Duke House horizontal sewing machine for leather surface repair. First, it must be folded. The purpose of grooving is to reserve space for the leather, ensuring a perfect fit.
The effect after wrapping?
Stuttering Land Rover's circuitry is complex. Please imitate.
Use dry ice to clean the wiring harness to avoid corrosion and short circuits. Once you start sanding, you'll know where it's wrong. The areas that are painted won't be flat, so you have to tap them down bit by bit. For severely deformed areas, you need to put in more effort, just like that. Restoring the car body is very time consuming. Only slow work yields fine craftsmanship.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Next season, we will refurbish the engine like this, refurbish the lubricated gearbox like this, and refurbish the chassis like this. Wishing everyone a traffic-free National Day.